Well, the issue of head injuries in the NFL is the subject of Will Smith's new movie Concussion. The film is released in the US on Friday and tells the story of the doctor who first made the link between brain damage and the repeated heavy hits NFL players receive during a game. Well, recently the NFL announced that they would fund research into a new treatment that could revolutionise the way sports-related head injuries are diagnosed. The treatment is actually a blood test, and it's been developed by a company called Quanterix. And I'm pleased to say that the chief executive of Quanterix, Kevin Hrusovsky, joins us now. Kevin, first question I'd like to ask you, they're calling your treatment a real game changer, if you'll excuse the pun. I mean, could you explain in layman's terms how it works and why it's so significant?
Well, basically, we've developed a technology that can see proteins that are released in the blood at very minuscule levels when the brain gets injured. And so for the first time, you can actually see these proteins and these biomarkers for concussion in the blood, which is a real revolutionary breakthrough.
Yeah, it's been described as an objective blood test, and I'm guessing when it comes to diagnosing concussion in athletes, that word objective is very important.
Yeah, the challenge here is that almost every organ in the body does have a blood test to show whether or not you're healthy or not. The brain is the only one that doesn't. And so our technology is so sensitive, it can see these biomarkers in the blood and be able to tell you whether or not you've had a concussion and how severe it is. Most importantly, it can give you a sense of when it's going to be safe to return to play. And one of the biggest challenges is there's a lot of kids that have a concussion, return to play, and they have the second impact syndrome. And I think you just reported a lot of deaths occur if you have a second impact while having a concussion. And so being able to detect it objectively versus someone asking you to count backwards and to determine, whether or not you've got some kind of a cognitive deficiency, that's very subjective, and it could lead to some really big issues on the sidelines. And it's been proven to be a big issue for sports, whether it be rugby, whether it be soccer, whether it be even cricket, as well as obviously football. So this is a major breakthrough that could change the culture of the game, because now there'll be an objective way to be able to say, yes, for sure, this person's got a concussion and it wouldn't be safe to return to play. And so our blood test gives you a better understanding of the right moment.
Kevin, just briefly, you've been given funding by the NFL to continue developing this treatment. And can you see a time when blood tests could be carried out on the field of play during a game even?
We actually believe in 2016, literally this coming year, you'll be able to take samples from the sideline and get them into a local area for the test. Within the next couple years, we think a point-of-care device, almost like an iPhone, could be put onto the sidelines to do this development. The NFL has given us a little bit of money, but we're actually raising money now in a crossover round, and we'll be going public later next year to further raise money to accelerate bringing this kind of technology to bear across all of sports, all of athletics, and even into emergency rooms, because concussions is a real silent epidemic going around the world. And our technology can be used for other areas too, like cancer and heart disease. So we think it's real important to get a point-of-care device.
Okay, Kevin, thank you very much. Fascinating to hear your thoughts on that. But for now, thank you very much. Kevin Hrusovsky, CEO of Quanterix, joining us from Boston.